Hello friends, my name is Madhushri. So I'm going to show you my project. So the project name is Bouncy Ball Game. Okay, so this is class 4th and this is the class name is Design Pong Game. Okay, so I'm going to view the project to see what I made. Okay, click on view project. So this is the project. Move the ball to reach the target to win. What they are saying means the ball shoot. So this is the ball. Okay, and this is the target. So this ball should move to the target and it will come to win. So it will say that you win. Okay, if you I want to show you that how to play this. So using arrow keys we are going to play. Okay, so this is the ball. Okay, so I'm using now right key, so it goes right. I'm placing now down arrow because it's in already like this. Down, right, left, down, down, up. Okay, if how to loss means if you're going out of the screen means it comes you lost. Okay, so we are going to see that how we made this project. Okay, come on, so we are going to click on view code to see the code that how I made. So this how I made. Okay, so okay, so variable rectangle 0 is equals to create sprite means this thing, or in this obstacles. Okay, these are rectangles. So totally 24 rectangles I have made. Okay, and one ball. This is one ball and 24 rectangles. Okay, and I'm thinking that you know background color pink. Am I right? Okay, background color pink. I'll say 1 second what is background color. I'm going to comment and show you this how I made. So it comes in white, but see one thing, it comes like this. So always we have to write background color. Okay, it's because it shows many rectangles. It shows many rectangles. How you saying that many rectangles, you can ask me. So I will say if these are not there means so if these obstacles are not there means if it will become many rectangles. Okay, I will show you last how to make. Okay, so do you mean what is stroke blue? So this is sentences to make it colorful. If I am writing in pink color or any color, pink means it shows in pink. No need pink, I'll write in black. No need black also, I'll write in white. Can you see it's in white color? uh, so I'm writing like red or any color we want. Okay, so it's in red. So stroke means which we want to color. So blue, I wrote blue, it comes in blue. Okay, so do you mean what is collide? Collide is to attach. See, this is the obstacle and this is the ball. The ball will come like this and it will attach. If you want to move like this, it will come. It won't, but it never go and it will not push like that. Okay. So ball dot collide rectangle 0, ball dot collide rectangle 1, ball dot collide rectangle 2. There are many things to do. Okay. See, so collide means I'll say once again. Okay. Uh, Before saying that, I'll say what is this. This is called toolbox. Okay, so we can take from this what we need. Okay, function draw. There are many things. Sprites. Sprite dot velocity x, sprite dot velocity y, scale, height, width, visible, rotation to direction. Many things are there. You need now collide thing, right? I'll take and give you. Okay. So we have to go in toolbox. It's in sprites group. Okay, sprite toolbox. So can you see where is collide? It's here. So collide, sprite dot collide target. Target means rectangle 12 or anything. Okay. Sprite means like ball or anything. Rectangle like anything we can. Okay. So I'm thinking that you know what is shift key down, up arrow, right arrow, left arrow. So I'll say once again. So if key down up arrow means when we are pressing up arrow key, down arrow key, right arrow key or left arrow key, it works. If I'm not writing these things means it will not work. It just shows like this. Okay. So ball dot velocity x is equals to 0. This is called the speeds and we are writing. Okay. I'm thinking that even you know this also. Okay. So I'll say once again. Okay. So text target 230 380 text. Move the ball to reach the target to win 65-25. If ball dot text 230 ball dot text. Okay. You know this thing. But do you know what is undo? This thing undo. For undo means I'll just write down. Okay, just what we have to use I'll say. So shift plus undo 7. Shift plus 7. It shows the undo. Okay, or else shift plus or we have to write 2. If we wrote 1, it doesn't takes. Okay, so always we have to write 2. Why it's showing like this? You're thinking means because any function or any condition I wrote like this. So it takes like this only. So we have used in this functions if ball dot x is equals to 230 undo ball dot x. You can see undo. So what is undo? You're thinking means undo is called it will take both. Okay, which is correct, it will take it. Okay, so undo means it will take both of it. Okay, and do you know what is or means which is correct thing, it will take that one only. Okay, which is correct, that one only it will take. I'm saying you easily. Undo means it will take both side also. In or means it will take any one. Which is correct, it will take any one only. Okay. Now I'm thinking that you can understand. So draw sprites. So I'll say once again, draw sprites is the main thing. So I'm going to comment on this. Nothing will show you. Because the draw sprites is main. See, nothing will show you. Only the text will show you. Because the text is it drawing? No, it's the text. Okay. So I'm erasing the comment. I'm writing. I erased it. So now you can see now it shows everything. Okay. I'm thinking now everything you can understand. I'll say once again from starting. So these are the sprite like which are the boxes. Okay, these are called boxes. Okay, and the ball is this thing. So background color pink. Okay, so I'm writing like background color as any color. We can write any color that you know, right? So again I'll show you background color as yellow. Okay, it shows an yellow color like that. Easy. Pink, it looks nice, so I'm writing pink itself. It shows in pink color. Do you know what is meaning of background? Background, it shows the back side. Okay, back area. And do you know what is collide? So this is the obstacle and this is the ball, means the ball will come and it will just stick. It will not go down. When you are pressing down arrow, it will not move. If you are pressing up, it will go. When we are pressing right arrow, it will go right. When we are pressing left arrow, it will go left. Okay. Now you can understand what is collide. And if key down up arrow, ball dot velocity x is equals to 0, ball dot velocity y is equals to -2, means it is the speed. Okay. Like that only I wrote for 3 things also, 3 keys. Okay. So text, you know text is to display the text informations. Okay, so text move the ball to reach, you know this one also. Okay, and you know text size is how much big we want. Okay, so text you want, so this one is this. Okay, text you want, it will come big. Okay, if you know this condition also. And draw sprites, don't forget this thing also. Draw sprites is main thing. Okay, I think that now you can understand easily by seeing this video. So comment if you have any questions, okay, doubts, and I will reply you. Okay, and subscribe, share and like. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and likes. Okay, thank you, bye.